The ground beneath our feet feels solid, but it's a mosaic of massive plates constantly pushing and grinding. Imagine bending a wooden stick. It stores energy, it strains, and then it snaps. That snap is an earthquake. It's the Earth's crust releasing immense stress in a sudden, violent rebound at a point deep underground called the focus. This energy doesn't just disappear, it travels as seismic waves. The first to arrive is the P wave, a fast compressional jolt that can travel through anything, solid, liquid, or gas. It's the initial warning. Then comes the S wave, a slower side-to-side shear wave. Crucially, S waves can only travel through solids. Finally, the surface waves arrive, rolling and shaking the ground like ocean waves. These are what cause the most destruction. But these vibrations do more than just shake the ground. They carry secrets from the planet's interior. How do we know the Earth has a liquid outer core? We've never drilled there. The answer lies with the S waves. Seismographs placed on the opposite side of the planet from a large earthquake never detect them. They create a vast shadow zone. Since S waves can't pass through liquid, their disappearance is the ultimate proof. They hit a massive liquid barrier deep inside our world. By reading the arrival times of these waves at just 3 stations, we can triangulate the exact epicenter of a quake. And by understanding their power, engineers design buildings on giant rubber springs called base isolators, letting the ground shake while the structure stays steadier. Every earthquake, while terrifying, is also a message. Seismology is the science of listening to these vibrations, turning a destructive force into a tool of discovery, and giving us a vision of the world deep beneath our feet.